Hi guys, my name is Dr. Brahma Reddy. My designation is Associate Professor in Laxman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management. Today you have discussed in 0 by 1 knapsack problem using greedy method. So the knapsack is nothing but bag or container having a fixed capacity M. We are giving the n items. We each and every items some profit and weights are available. So each profit is denoted in P and respected weight is W. If any item is placed in the knapsack, its corresponding profit is obtained. The object is placed item into the knapsack such that the total weight of the selected item does not exist in the capacity of M. The total profit is maximized. So in this problem, main aim of the some number of items is given, and each and every item some profit and their respected profits and weights is given. So in the each and every items one by one selection based upon some priority based, like in this problem three ways you have pick up. So let's x1 x2 x3 and so on, x of n are the items, P1, P2, P3 and so on. P of n is the profit of the corresponding each and every items, and W1, W2, W3 and so on. W of n is the corresponding items weighted. Then you calculate the maximum of sigma n equal to 1 to n P of I into x of I. So this is the maximum profit. You calculate the maximum profit. Like knapsack, you fill the all the items in either less than or equal to the maximum capacity. The feasible solutions of the 0 by 1 knapsack problem, there are three possibilities. First one is maximum profit, second one is minimum weight, third one is maximum of profit by weight. Three based you have calculated the maximum profit values. First, what is the maximum profit? First, a given list, some n number of items is given. Which one is the highest profit? First, you fill that profit. Here we are consider the item based on the profit. So which item is highest profit is first you place it. Next, minimum weight. So here we consider the items based on the less weight or minimum weight. First you place the minimum weight and their corresponding the profit value is obtained. Next, last one is maximum profit by weight value. Here we are first you calculate the profit by weight values, and we have maximum value is given. You have prepared, first you place the knapsack. Okay, let's we have take the one example and we will calculate the maximum profit. Okay, solve the example. Capacity equal to knapsack capacity is M equal to 30, and each and every item profits and their weight values. For example, in this problem, x1, x2, x3, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Total 5 items are given. Okay, so next, each and every items have some profit is there. For example, x1 is the first item, their profit value is 25, and x2 is the second item, their profit value is 16, x3 is the third item, their profit value is 15, x4 is the fourth item, their profit equal to 12, and last one is x5 equal to their profit is 19. Okay, so next, their corresponding weights also given. So first we calculate the we calculate the maximum of profit by weight value, like P1 by N1 X1 W1 comma P2 by W2 and so on, P of N by W of N value. First you calculate that. Okay, first P1 by W1 that equal 25 by 12 that equal 2.07. This is the first P1 X1 value. Next, X2 that equal P2 W2 that equal 16 by 8 that equal 2. Okay, next to calculate the third item profit by maximum value. X3 equal to P3 by X3 that equal 15 by 6 that equal 2.5. Okay, next you calculate the fourth value P4 X4 12 by 7 that equal 1.7. Next, last one is X5 P5 by X5 that equal 19 by 9 that equal 2.11. Like so, you calculate the profit by weight value. In these values, you have arranged the descending order. First one is X1 is 2.07. Second one is X2 is 2.2. X3 2.5. X4 1.7. X5 equal to 2.1. So you arrange the ascending order that like X3 comma next one is 2.11. So X5 next one X5 next one X1 next one X2 next one last X4. In this order you place the knapsack. Okay, first you calculate this value respected weight value maximum by profit by weight value. In this order you place it. In knapsack capacity is the what is the capacity? Total capacity is 30. Okay, so you calculate the descending order. Already you place the arranging that order format. Okay, first which one is placed? X3. So is available place is 30. So first you place the X3 value. Okay, their profit value is X3 profit 15. Okay, what about the remaining possibility knapsack capacity? So X3 capacity is 12. So remaining capacity is 18 pending. Okay, so X3 that means X3 already total value will be filled. So that equal to X3 equal to 1. Once you have each complete item will filled, then that respected weight value equal to X3 equal to 1. Either not fill the value equal to 0. Either value is 0 to less than or equal to 1. Okay, next first item will be filled. Okay, M equal to M minus W that equal M is nothing but maximum capacity 30. So in this capacity placed in 12 that equal 18. So next item next available capacity is 18. Okay, next one which one is the next filling? X5. Why? Because X3 already filled. Next maximum profit by weight value which one is? X5. So X5 equal to what is the profit value? P of 5 equal to 19. W of 5 equal to what? 9. So next one is filled that equal X5. Okay, X5 will be filled. M equal to 8 minus 9 that equal 9. So that means X5 total completely filled in the knapsack. So their profit value X5 equal to 1. Why? Because X5 total value is the total item will be placed in the knapsack. Okay, next which one is placed in next item? X1. So X1 equal to, so what is the profit value? P1 that equal 25. Next what is the weight value? Weight value equal to 12. So next you place the next value. But in this knapsack capacity remaining placed in only 9 value. So total value will be placed in no. So that's why 25 by 12 into what is the remaining capacity? 9 that equal. So calculate the force. 3 4s are 3 3s are 75 by 4. That equal 75 by 3. So total will be finished. Next, remaining 2 items are possible to the field? No. Why? Because our knapsack already capacity is filled completely. Okay. So what is the maximum profit? What is the maximum profit? Okay. So what is the formula? Sigma of n equal to 1 to n p of I into x of I, that equal p1 x1 plus p2 x2 plus p3 x3 plus p4 x4 plus p5 x5. Okay, which one is filled? So p1 is filled 75 by 4. Next, p2 we fill? No. P2 is filled? No. So not filled, like 16 into 0 plus, next x3 already filled. So 15 into 1 plus 12 not filled ga. 12 into 0 plus 19 into 1. Why? Because that item totally will be placed in the knapsack. That value corresponding item value equal to 1. Otherwise, that item value equal to 0. If partially filled, then value calculate partial values. Like, okay, 4 ones, 4. 8.9. Next, 16 into 0, 0 plus 15 into 51, 15 plus 12 into 0, 0, 19 into 1, 19. That equal 19, 38, 48, 52.9. This is the maximum profit of in this problem using the maximum profit by weight value. Thank you.